So when talking about urban mining concept, there are two things that we need to take into account. One, to understand the capacity of the existing building stock to be used as a new material stock. And the other one is to understand how to build new building stock, which will be in line with the circularity. In that aspect, I was talking about reversible building design and a paradigm shift from the way how we perceive and understand buildings, which is seeing buildings as static structures at the moment, which are designed for demolition. That is the stock that we have and deal with today. And this approach to and perception of built environment needs to be shifted to seeing buildings as more dynamic structures, which are adaptable and whose materials can be reconfigured and reused. In terms of existing building stock, we need to understand just how easy can we adapt and reuse buildings, and to create a kind of quick scan of the buildings, understanding their future value and which parts cannot be reused at all, so they need to be demolished. In terms of new buildings, we need to set up a kind of new approach design and a ladder for circular building, while understanding also how we measure the performance of building in the future.